I am Swarna Bihai in the Department of ECE at Jaishram Engineering College. Today I am going to take a lecture series of Arduino and its types. Before going, what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronic platform used for building digital device and interactive project. It consists of Arduino board, Arduino IDE and Arduino IDE. Why Arduino board is popular? Easy to learn, inexpensive and widely available. Large community can be used in the projects like robotics, IoT, home automation, sensors and more. Applications of Arduino are home automations, robotics. Home automations like light, fan, security systems. Robotics like line flower, obstacles avoidance. IoT projects like smart agriculture, weather monitoring, healthcare devices like heart rate monitoring, educational kits and prototypes. What are the types of Arduino? There are different types of Arduino are available in the market. They are Arduino Uno R3, Arduino Nano, Arduino Micro, Arduino Dio, LilyPad Arduino board, Arduino Bluetooth, Arduino Declama, Redboard Arduino board, Arduino Mega R3 board, Arduino Leonard board, Arduino robot, and moreover Arduino Micro PIC, Arduino Ethernet, Arduino Zero, fast Arduino boards. These are all the Arduino shields. Today we are going to see detailed about Arduino Uno board. This is the overall picture of Arduino Uno board. So Arduino Uno board consists of, these are all the components, main components of Arduino Uno board. It consists of USB jack, power jack, voltage regulator, crystal oscillator, reset button, power button, analog input pins, digital pins, transmission and receiver pins, power on LED, LED attached to digital pin 13, ARFE, ICS pins and main controller. What is the uses of the, first of all we are going to see about a USB jack. What is the purpose of USB jack? It is used to upload program from the computer to Arduino Uno board and also used to power up the Arduino board. Next one is power jack. Here the input voltage ranges from 7 volt to 12 volt. Here the power jack is used to give the power to the Arduino board. What are the way we can give the connection power to the Arduino board is rechargeable battery, disposable battery, wall adapters and solar panel. What is the purpose of voltage regulator? Used to control and stabilize the voltage given to the Arduino Uno board, used by the processor and other elements. It is one of the main element. Crystal oscillator. The microcontroller need a clock pulse to execute the instruction step by step. The crystal oscillator frequency ranges is 16 MHz, used to calculate the time. Reset button. Here this is the reset button which is marked in orange color. This reset button is used for start the programming from the beginning itself. This reset button can start the program from beginning. Power pin. Here these are all the power pins, that is 3.3 volt, 5 volt, VIN. These are all the, we have said these are all as a power pin. 3.3 is an output volt and supply we give us a 5 volt. Ground is used for ground the circuit. VN can also use to power the board from the external source. Next one is an analog pin. This analog pin has an A to A5. This is an 6 analog pins used to read the signal from the analog sensors and can be used to, as a digital input as well as the output like digital pins. These are all the digital pins. It is have 14 digital pins starting from 0 to 13. The pin 6 provides pulse width modulation. Out pulse width modulation. When an input pins, the input pins can read the voltage. Output pins can apply the voltage. The input pin voltage is always a 5 volt and the lower voltage is to be an 0 volt. Next one is TX and RX pin. This TX pin and RX pin is nothing but transmitter and receiver pin. This is used to communicate the electronics via serial communication. To speed up the speeds depends upon the baud rate by the communication speed will be depend upon the baud rate by the board. Next, power LED. To indicate the Arduino board, the power is an important. This LED, when we switch on the board, the power will automatically on. LED attached to an digital 13 pin. Useful for easily debugging of an Arduino sketch. Here sketch is nothing but where we have writing an Arduino program is said to be an sketch. AREF, that is stands for analog reference. It's sometimes used to set the external reference voltage between 0 to 5 volt as the upper limit for the analog input pins. ICSP pins, that is a circuit serial programming pin. It is available for programming Arduino boards. That is SPI communication protocol. This is the main controller. Each Arduino board has its own controller, microcontroller. It is the brain of a board. Usually the microcontroller is made by an Admiral company. Thank you.